So I pray we can empower each other. If you're going through difficulty or hardship, my brothers, my sisters, may Allah be with you. Don't worry. It's just a few days, a year, 2 years, perhaps a little bit more, a little bit less. Allah has blessings in the situation and condition that He's kept you in that you need to search for. Look for them. See, how did my life change in a good way? Come back to Allah. Turn to Him. Remember Him. He has empowered you in so many ways. Look at those who are in a worse condition than yours. I say to people, when you look at war zones and you see bombs dropping on people, and you see, for example, the weather is against them, it's freezing, it's ice, they have no clothes, they have no accommodation, they have no food, they have nothing, they have no family members, they don't know anyone, they are standing all alone, then you can tell me you have a massive problem. Do you hear what I'm saying? If that's not the case, trust me, you're in so much of goodness. You're about to have a scrumptious meal here at Saffron. MashaAllah. Trust me.